Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix coverage expired in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone, you're facing the issue with that whenever you try to use your iPhone, you might see a pop-up error again and again, which is coverage expired. So let's see what is this and how can you fix the issue. So basically it happens whenever your iPhone's limited 1 year warranty has been expired. So you can easily check for this by opening your settings, then go to general, go to about section, and just look for this current expired option here. Just select this and you might see that your 1 year limited warranty of Apple has been expired now for your device. Or if you want to get more, so you can pay out from your pocket to get more coverage or more warranty, or you can use Apple Support app to get more help. But if you don't want to do this, you just have to ignore this because your iPhone is working well and it will work fine. So you can easily make a force restart, and after that you will not get the issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.